Hey everyone, it's Jack here for Hattons. Again, we are here in Crewe for the All Change Diesel Open Day. I'm joined by New Junction himself.
Hello.
Who's very, very kindly ran around the show and got a load of great footage of all the locos for us to show off to you guys.
We hope.
I'm sure it'll be great. Anyway, so how's the day been for you?
Apart from being really busy earlier, to be fair, and I suppose raining.
Yeah,
it's actually calmed down quite nicely now. So.
It's the lovely British summertime, isn't it? We've had loads of rain, but other than that, it's been a fantastic day, I think.
I've enjoyed it. Really
diverse load of locos and multiple units to look at. Loads of great trade stands. They're starting one up right behind us, so that's great. And yeah, so I think that's about enough yapping. And I think let's get
on with the footage.
That's it. Right, so that was our roundup from the Crewe All Change Open Day event taking place in June 2019. Let us know what you thought in the comments, which was your favourite loco, and hit the subscribe button for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much.